So this video is about IIFE in JavaScript. What is IIFE? Immediately invoked function expressions. Okay, that's the full form. That's not what it is. What it is, I'll show you. So if you do know what scope in function is in JavaScript, then it is not a problem for you. If you don't, then I'll just do a quick walkthrough. So this A that is declared outside the function is in the global scope. This A that is declared inside this function is in the function is in the scope of this function demo, and this is independent of this. So if I change the value of this, it will not affect the value of the global A. Okay, and that is what I am trying to demonstrate over here. So just let me do a node add1.js. Okay, so what happens here is A is equal to 10, then there is this function, then there is function call. What does it do? It creates a variable A equal to 20, okay, and prints it. So it prints 20, and then it is printing A. So which A is this printing? The A that is present in the scope of this line. Okay, this line is in the global scope. This is not inside any function, so it is in the global scope. Okay, in the global scope we have A is equal to 10, so it prints 10, and we see that over here. Okay, so it is simple. The scope of a function is independent, like if you want to keep a variable independent of the global variables, or like whatever is outside that one, so you can do that using a function. Okay, now if you want to do it, there is another way to do it, here we are defining a function, then we are calling it, invoking it, whatever. So there is another way to do it, and that is using IIFE. Okay, so what we are going to do here is we are going to shorten it, not very much, but yeah, we are going to shorten it. So what is happening here is there are two parts of this line. The first part is the reference of the function that needs to be executed. The second part is the thing that executes the function. Okay, so this parentheses that I selected right now, that is the thing that is executing the function, and the name that here is demo, that is the thing that is referencing or pointing to the function that needs to be executed. Okay, as simple as that, two parts. So we are just removing the first part, we are removing the reference and adding the entire function in place of this, because we need to execute it over here. And so we'll just control X and just to remove the name, put the function in place of this. Okay, and you will get a syntax error. What is the syntax error? Expression expected. Okay, why is this happening? Because we have put a function keyword, so the JavaScript is expecting a function, but then there is here also and here also. So yeah, it does not make any sense. In between we have the function body, so syntactically it does not make any sense. So to overcome that syntax barrier, we will put a parenthesis over here and a parenthesis over here. So that's brackets surrounding the function. Okay, this and this. I've surrounded the function with brackets, so now the syntax error has been removed. This does not do anything else. It is just to remove the syntax error. Okay, and then there is this bracket, pair of brackets, braces, to execute it. Okay, and now let me run it. We should get the same thing, and we get the same thing. Okay, so this is as simple as that, IIFE. Now if you are confused or if you're not clear, what I'll do is I'll copy this, okay, and paste it over here so that you can compare it side by side. Actually, let's stop to bottom, but whatever. So here you can see this function is there, and function reference or the name of the variable, whatever you say, that is there. So just copy this entire function, okay, and paste it here. So that is all that is, and surrounded with parentheses to stop. So that is all IIFE is. So that's all for this video. Bye.